Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all you are fine and studying well. I am Samir, and today I am going to teach you chapter number 16, Social Science, Local Self Government. You are aware of our government, types of government, and the level of government. You have learned in chapter number 15, Government. Why we need local self government? The question is why we need local self government. Just think about it. Now let's recall why we need local self government. Our country is a country of diversity. Ours is the largest democracy in the world with the maximum numbers of voters. Due to the vastness and diversity of the country, it is difficult to manage from one place. That is why government works at various levels to administer smoothly against some problems and difficulties. So, government works as a various level like local self government, state government, and central government work in the democratic system of the governance. So, now let us study about local government of our area. Dear students, a paragraph is given below for you. The things which are not applicable for you, draw a line on that and write a correct detail in the blank given below. Suppose you are not living in city, then strike out the village. Suppose you are not living in village, then strike out the city. I live in so and so cities, village. That is a gram panchayat, municipality, corporation in my village, city. The name of the head, sarpanch, president, mayor is so and so. You can write. So after fill these details, it is understood that you live in village or city. You are aware of the local administrative system of your the area. Let us know how administrative system functions work. Local government. Local government works in two categories. First, urban and second, rural. Sorry, first rural and second urban. Two categories they work. It is known as a Panchayati Raj. Panchayati Raj means this is new word for you. Panchayati Raj. Panchayati Raj refers to the five group of people who govern, who administer the rural area. That is called पंच. यानी कि पांच ऐसे लोग जो पूरे गांव का प्रशासन चलाते हैं और वहाँ की न्याय व्यवस्था, वहाँ की समस्याएं को सुलझाने का काम करते हैं, जिसे हम बोलते हैं पंच. गांव में पंचायत होता है जिसे पंच बोलते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड पंचायती राज. So local government divided into two categories. First is village administration and the second is city administration. Village administration govern as a first village at the base level, second is taluka level, and third one is district level. And city administration function as municipality and corporation. Village, taluka, district, municipality and corporation, these are the governing body who run the local government. पंचायती राज गवर्नमेंट यानी लोकल गवर्नमेंट को चलाने के लिए विलेज, तालुका, डिस्ट्रिक्ट, म्यूनिसिपैलिटी एंड कॉरपोरेशंस, ये सब गवर्निंग बॉडी है जो पंचायती राज को चलाते हैं. As you know, India is divided into states, and states are divided into district, and district are divided into towns, and towns are divided into villages. Do you know how many districts in our state, Gujarat? There are 33 districts and 1 to 50 towns in Gujarat and 8 municipality, 169 municipality and 8 corporations in our Gujarat. So now let's understand Panchayati Raj. We have accepted 3-tier system work of the Panchayati Raj. We accepted 3-tier system of the work Panchayati Raj. First, Panchayati Raj at village level. Second, Taluka Panchayat at Taluka level. Third, District Panchayat at district level. Here, village Panchayat is the base form of the government, local government. Second is Taluka Panchayat, and the third one is District Panchayat. So, administration run by representative elected by the people at the local level is called local self government. हम जानते हैं कि हमने गवर्नमेंट नाम की चैप्टर में पढ़ा था कि डेमोक्रेसी में हमारे जो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव यानी हमारे जो प्रतिनिधि होते हैं उनको हम चुनाव करके जीत के लाते हैं और वो हमारे पक्ष से निर्णय लेते हैं. वैसे ही हम लोकल लेवल पे हमारे नेता को चुन के लाते हैं, हमारे प्रतिनिधि को चुन के लाते हैं और वो हमारे लिए काम करते हैं. उसे कहा जाता है लोकल सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट. These institutions are called local self-government organization. Gram Panchayat, Taluka Panchayat and District Panchayat belongs to village local self-government. ग्राम पंचायत, तालुका पंचायत और डिस्ट्रिक्ट पंचायत जो होती है वो गांव का स्थानिक प्रशासन से बिलोंग करते हैं. एंड म्यूनिसिपैलिटी एंड कॉरपोरेशन यानी नगर पालिका और महानगर पालिका आर लोकल सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट एट द सिटी लेवल. और शहरी प्रशासन कैसे चलता है? नगर पालिका यानी महानगर पालिकाएँ बनाई जाती है अकॉर्डिंग टू द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ द एरिया. दैट इज कॉल्ड लोकल सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट एट द सिटी लेवल. हियर द ग्राम पंचायत इज द बेस ऑफ ऑल गवर्नमेंट and taluka panchayat is about the gram panchayat, and the district panchayat is about the taluka panchayat and after the state and after the central. Here the thing to know when Panchayati Raj started. Panchayati Raj in India started from Bagadra village of Nagpur district in Rajasthan on 2nd October 1959, started by Jawaharlal Nehru. Panchayati Raj was implemented from 1st April 1963 in Gujarat. Means Panchayati Raj started in Rajasthan, but implementation of the Panchayati Raj in Gujarat फ्रॉम 1 अप्रैल 1963 यानी उसका अमलीकरण कब हुआ था गुजरात में? 1 अप्रैल 1963 को हुआ था. सो स्टूडेंट, यू कैन सी इन द फिगर ऑफ 16.2 दैट ग्राम पंचायत इज द बेस ऑफ ऑल गवर्नमेंट्स. तालुका पंचायत इज अबव इट The district panchayat is above the taluka panchayat. After that, state government is there, which run administration. Administration of the Gujarat is carried out by government of Gujarat. So our country is governed by the central government. Thus, Gram Panchayat is in the base of all government. Gram Panchayat is the most important unit of Panchayati Raj. Why Gram Panchayat is the base form of the Panchayati Raj? Because in India, approximately 69% of the people are living in village area. So भारत जो है वो हमारा खेती प्रधान देश है और सारे लोग 69% जो लोग हैं वो हमारे गाँव में रहते हैं और गाँव से ही हमारा देश बना हुआ है। इसीलिए शासन का जो इकाई है वो ग्राम पंचायत बनाया गया है और गांव से ही पूरा हमारा जो देश है वो अच्छा चलता है। सो नाउ लेट्स सी द रूरल गवर्नेंस यानी ग्राम्य प्रशासन, द ग्राम पंचायत। The formation of the Gram Panchayat. Gram Panchayat is the most important unit in the institution of local self-government. Gram Panchayat is composed in the village having population of 500 to 25,000. Means ग्राम पंचायत कहाँ बनती है? जहाँ पे 500 से 25,000 की पॉपुलेशन होती है वहाँ पे ग्राम पंचायत का निर्माण किया जाता है। यानी उससे कम बस्ती वालों में गाँव में पंचायतें होती नहीं है तो वहाँ पे क्या होता होगा? तो वैसी पंचायतों को दूसरे गाँव में जोड़ी जाती है, यानी कि 2 गाँवों की मिलाकर पंचायत बनाई जाती है। ये हमारे संविधान में प्रोविजंस है। There are minimum 8 and maximum 16 candidate elected on the basis of the population in Gram Panchayat. According to the population, there are minimum 8 and maximum 16 candidate elected on the basis of population in Gram Panchayat. Head of the Gram Panchayat is called Sarpanch. Sarpanch as well as other candidate of Gram Panchayat are elected after every 5 years. Means Gram Panchayat election held on every 5 years. Voters elect Sarpanch through direct voting. Ward members are elected by the voters of concerned ward. Means a village divided into wards. A village divided into wards and a ward has a own representative and a population of the ward elect their representative of village. So the Gram Panchayat election are not constructed by any political party or on symbol of any political party. और ग्राम पंचायत के जो इलेक्शंस होते हैं वो किसी पॉलिटिकल यानी राजकीय पार्टी से नहीं होते हैं और उनका कोई सिंबल भी नहीं होता है क्योंकि वो स्थानिक चुनाव होते हैं और गांव के लोग अपने ही में से ही किसी को सरपंच चुन के लाते हैं। Now the administration of the Gram Panchayat. A Sarpanch and members of the Gram Panchayat together decided the work development by making resolution on the development. यानी कि गांव के जो भी विकास काम होते हैं वो सरपंच और गांव के जितने लोग होते हैं मेंबर्स जो होते हैं वो इकट्ठा होते हैं और उनका सॉल्यूशन निकालते हैं. Talatikam minister is appointed by the government. Here, Talatikam minister is the administrative head of the Gram Panchayat. He or she handles the administrative work, collect taxes, make reports of the Gram Panchayat, and prepares forms and keep record budgetary accounts. This is the question for you supposed to be asked in exam. What is the work of Talatikam minister? How he or she function? The Talatikam minister is appointed by the state government. She handles administrative work, collect taxes, make report of Gram Panchayat, and prepares forms and keep records of budgetary accounts. The office of the Gram Panchayat is also called village secretariat. Now, what are the sources of income of Gram Panchayat? List out and think about what are the sources income of the Gram Panchayat if you are living in village, and what is the source income of your area. Think about it and write down. So, according to the textbook, water taxes, cleaning taxes, property taxes एंड शॉप टैक्सेस, यानी गांव में जितनी दुकानें होती है, स्वच्छता सफाई जो पंचायतें करती है, हमारे घर में जो पानी आता है, उनके ऊपर जो टैक्स लगाया जाता है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड वो दैट इज़ द इनकम ऑफ द ग्राम पंचायत. एंड ग्रांट गिवन बाय द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट एंड द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, यानी केंद्र सरकार यानी राज्य सरकार के द्वारा जो ग्रांट यानी कि जो अनुदान जो विकास काम के लिए दिए जाते हैं वो ही ग्राम पंचायत का इनकम का सोर्स होती है. नाउ द फंक्शंस ऑफ द ग्राम पंचायत. व्हाट आर द फंक्शन ऑफ द ग्राम पंचायत? दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस फॉर योर exam. What are the functions of gram panchayat? So giving the house number, arrangement of the household and drinking water, making roads and plants in village, cleaning of village street and disposal of dirty water, maintenance of public property, maintenance of health related facility in village, lighting arrangement in the village, education facilities including primary education in the village, awareness of propagation, planning of the village development, maintenance of the crops and pasture in the village, maintenance of the land asset office, maintenance of the birth and death register. And these are the functions of the Gram Panchayat. Now, Gram Sabha. In general language, Gram Sabha means to collect villagers. Village meeting like a legislative assembly. All the elderly people of the village are considered as the member of Gram Sabha. यानी गांव के जितने भी बड़े लोग होते हैं उनको ग्राम सभा का सदस्य माना जाता है. All of them are supposed to remain present, have right to cast vote and even to put up a proposal. That is called ग्राम सभा. Means ग्राम सभा एक ऐसी संस्था है जो ग्राम सभा ग्राम पंचायत के काम की जांच करती है. ग्राम सभा scrutinize the work of ग्राम पंचायत. What are the update of the work? The Gram Panchayat is required to organize Gram Sabha at least twice a year. This is the one-liner question of supposed to ask in your exam. The Gram Panchayat is required to organize Gram Sabha at least twice a year. Sarpanch is the chairman of Gram Sabha. Who is the chairman of Gram Sabha? Sarpanch is the chairman of Gram Sabha. Meeting of Gram Sabha is called after period information. Officers from taluka and district level remain present in meeting. Means who are present in the meeting, taluka and district level officers are remain present in the meeting. Along with them, government employees of the village also remain in present. Priority of the development work to be done by Gram Panchayat is decided. Now, what is the work of the Gram Sabha? The work of the Gram Sabha is the priority of development of work to be done by Gram Panchayat is decided. Various problems of villages such as village road, drinking water, cleanliness, light, education, health, etc. are discussed. All discussion happened in Gram Sabha. That is the work of Gram Sabha. Each and every member of Gram Panchayat should be aware and remain present in Gram Sabha. That is the necessary. The village problems and development work should be discussed, then only transparent administration and the purpose of the Gram Sabha will be successful. Now here the little bit activities for you. Visit Sarpanch and Talatigam Minister and collect the following information. Population of your village, numbers of male and female voters in the village, how many total votes are there in your village, how many members are there, make list and women members. Prepare the list of development works done by Gram Panchayat. Here things to know about Samras Gram Panchayat. Samras Gram Panchayat is the scheme which is launched by Gujarat government in 2001. When Gram Panchayat is constituted with the constant of all without any oppose, then in Gujarat type of Gram Panchayat is called Samras Gram Panchayat. Means no any opposition party stand up against the सरपंच, दैट इज कॉल्ड समरस ग्राम पंचायत. यानी कि सरपंच के खिलाफ कोई भी ऑपोजिशन लीडर खड़ा ना हो सरपंच बनने के लिए, और एक ही सरपंच वो अपने गांव का लोग चुने, दैट इज कॉल्ड समरस ग्राम पंचायत. दिस स्कीम वॉज इम्प्लीमेंटेड इन गुजरात बाय ग्राम पंचायत हाउसिंग डेवलपमेंट एंड Rural Development Department in October 2001, with the objective of developing unity, cooperation, harmony and integration among the villagers. Special grant is allotted if the Gram Panchayat becomes Samras. All members including Sarpanch are women and elected unanimously. The Gram Sabha decides how to utilize the grant as per the discussion of the Gram Sabha. This grant is used for development work. If Gram Panchayat becomes Samras continuously for 4 times, how many times? 4 times, then government allocate special grant. The government has announced these schemes to ensure that village panchayat election do not create unhappiness, एक्साइटमेंट एंड एन एनिमी इन द विलेज. यानी गांव में खुशहाली बढ़े, दुश्मनावट पैदा ना हो और अच्छा गांव का शासन चले. इसी की वजह से समरस ग्राम पंचायत नाम की योजना यहाँ पे लाई गई है. और जो 4 बार समरस ग्राम पंचायत बनती है गांव में तो उसको स्पेशल ग्रांट दी जाती है. आई होप all you understand about the administration and formation of the Gram Panchayat. Learn about it and read once more 2-3 times. You will better understand of the Gram Panchayat, formation of the Gram Panchayat, administration of the Gram Panchayat and functions of the Gram Panchayat. And please ask your elder members of your family about the Gram Panchayat. You will get more information about the Gram Panchayat. Now, I hope all you understand. In next video, we will learn about the Taluka Panchayat.